Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
We, Centaur Pharmaceuticals, were really concerned about increasing incidence of diabetic foot ulcer in India. In fact, there is no drug available today to completely heal diabetic foot ulcer. With this background, we went to Germany and tried to enter into an agreement with Centaur Tools, who have the new chemical entity, but no much work was progressed. We took the license to work all the clinical trials in India with that molecule, which took around 15 years. And today we are ready to offer this product in the Indian market. It's already been launched, and this will not only heal the wound and you can avoid amputation totally. This has a double effect. In fact, it is an antiseptic as well as fibrosite, closing the wound completely.